Now let's assemble the iPlay Vortex Bubble Blaster. As simple as that. Now have a look at this. We simply pull these out and it falls into place. Now you can do this, you don't need a degree, you don't need to go to university. Anyone can do it, and that's why I love this iPlay Vortex Bubble Blaster. We just align those and you hear that click and we're good to go. Now we need the handle. Now to assemble the handle, we touch it like so and we're good. Now this is our solution tray. We are going to now add the solution into this. Okay, and just like that, we are ready to have fun. Remember, these solutions are also available in any Verimark store. Right, a simple dip. Are you ready for this? Don't blink because you might miss this. All steady, and you're ready to have hours and hours and hours of bubble fun. And this is why I love this, because with just one dip you get so many bubbles. I have not yet gone back to re-dip this into a solution, and we just keep going. And now we're good to go. And that's how you have your iPlay Vortex Bubble Blaster.